Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, here for the given question we are given that we need to find the average time a cell phone spends in a box. So here we need to find average time a cell phone spends in a box. So now we know that here in the question we are given that this average time in the box will be equal to average time between drop off and repair plus repair time. So here in the question, now we need to calculate the average time. Here the coefficient of the variation of the time between customer arrival is 1. So CV equals to 1, and here if CV equals to 1, which implies here in our case standard deviation is equal to mean. So here in our case, now we are given that mu is equal to 24 hours since we have 24 hours in the day. So average time can be calculated as 1 by 2 times mu into 1 by 2 times into mu. So this value can be further written as this is equal to 1 by 2 times into 24, which is equal to 12 hours. So here in our case, average time in box is equal to 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. So here for the first part of the question, we got our solution as 15 hours. Now here the second part of the question is about average time between drop off and return. So here average time between drop off and repair is equal to 12 hours as we calculated in above part. So this is for the second part of the question. Now here for the next part of the question we are given that here in our case we need to calculate average number of cell phones in the box. So here the cell phone is drop off at a rate of 12 per day and each cell phone requires 3 hours. So here each cell phone need 3 hours a day and 12 cell phones are dropped in a day. So here in our case we know that let L be the average number of items in the system. So L equals to lambda be the arrival rate and W be the average time spent. So here in our case this value can be further calculated as 12 into 15, which is equal to 180. So here in our case we can say that we got our required solution as there are 180 average cell phones in a long time. So this is our required solution. I hope you understood very well. Thank you.